Hi Simple Life Ministry, Lorna here, back at you with another video. Today I'm coming to you with another meat recipe, well, meat substitute. So I did the oat burger before. Last one I did was the sausage, and now I'm going to give you some gluten meat. So there's two parts to this recipe, family, and the first part is you're gonna use some water, and in that water now I season the water, because this is the thing, when you're making vegetarian meat you have to season everything properly and let the water that you're using infused with the seasoning to make sure that it tastes good. So I season this overnight. I season up my water. So in this water now I have some wakame. Wakame is a seaweed. Whichever seaweed you have, you can use it. I use this to get the healthy salt, and but if you do not have this, that is fine. I happen to have it now, that's why I'm using it. I use some nutritional yeast. I have here some basil, some onion. This onion flakes, I made this. I will do a recipe to show you how I made my onion flakes. I have some here Italian seasoning. I have some onion powder. This is the purple onion powder that I make, and then the onion flakes that I make there. Celery seed, very nice in it. Sage, some oregano, garlic, cannot go without garlic, and then of course our usual suspect. I put the onion, real onions, I put the skellion, and I put thyme, and I put my beef mint. So as you can see, this is real seasoned. And then I put some of my Tamari, organic Tamari sauce in there. So these are, I am out of my homemade seasoning. If I had my homemade seasoning that I made a recipe for there, then I wouldn't need to be using all of these. But I'm out, so I ended up having to take out all of these. So anyway, so this one now, oops, this one now, family, all of those are in here in the 4 cups of water. But I will put it in the description box, and for you to see it. And okay, so before I continue that, let me go ahead now and show you the other ingredients. So the second part of this video here now is to put some rolled oats, some cashew, and then over here I have some salt, onion powders, nutritional yeast, and some garlic powder. And in here now I have the gluten flour. So that is what is gonna help to make the gluten meat. So let's go ahead, and I like to put my water first. I think I'm going to need all of that water. I have 1 cup of water here, but I want to use 3/4 first, just to make sure. So you're gonna blend everything here. Let me go with the nuts first, because that is gonna take a little longer to blend. All right. The nuts have been blended, because you want to get that part out the way to make sure it's nice and smooth. Then I'm going to borrow this spoon here. Sorry. I'm going to go ahead and put the oats. And blend that up. Okay. family. So with this now, clean hands, I'm going to put the gluten flour in here, and then I'm going to go in with my hands, because sometimes it's better to do it this way than to get the spatula. The spatula just get in the way. All right. So in here now, remember, I have the seasonings, I have the oat flour and the cashew, and I'm pouring that now in the gluten flour. Gluten is a binder, and not many people can eat or handle the gluten. So there is also a way to make it from scratch with flour, but I haven't mastered that one as yet. So I just want to come on here and show you this version. Okay. All right, well, that's over there. So you just come on in here now, family, and you're kneading it as if you're kneading, like you're making a dumpling. Mm-hmm. Yeah. You're not in for this, eh?
No.
Yeah. It's good, it's good. Mm. Yeah, I did made it once and you loved it, so. Mm-hmm. So you just knead this, family, for about, say, 3 minutes. So I did need the rest of the water. I left back a little because I wanted to make sure. You just go on in there and pour it. So it is 1 cup of water. See now, that water is perfect. It's coming together properly. So this is definitely not a gluten-free meat, but it's very good. It is very versatile. You can make rolls with it. Whatever it is you want to go. It's feeling very tight. Okay, so what you do now, family, you roll it like this in a log. One second. Okay. Depending on what you want to make, that's how you're going to shape it. You can also make it in a square. So I roll it in a log like this. And then I will get my foil paper. Hold on. Hold on, hold on. Bear with me here. Okay, I get my foil paper like that. And of course, we don't want to just put it on the foil, so I get my parchment paper. Okay. And then after that, I will put it down like that in the middle there. It's like you're making a sausage. And you roll it like this. You can cut the ends off or just fold it like that if you have enough space. And this first part of the water that I showed you now, the seasoning water, you're going to place it in there like this in the pot. and it's going to cook for 8 hours. I put mine on low and I just allow it to steam. Okay, I have one that is done here, family, that I want to show you. So this is my plating, and this is why you need enough water, because you need for the water to cover it. So you take it out the water now, like so. And you take everything off. Hold on. Hold on, family. Okay. Take everything off. It's like a surprise inside. There you go. Your gluten meat. And with this now, you can just go ahead and slice it. See, this is how it looks. And because you have seasoned the water so much, and you have seasoned the gluten, it makes it really, really nice. So all those deli meats, family, see, it slices. So depending on how thick you want it, you can just go ahead. All those deli meats, you know, those chef, the bologna meat that they're selling in the stores, these are something similar. And it's, see, something similar to this. So you can make it also bigger so that you can get bigger slices, the slices of the bologna from it. So this is it, family. It's nice and easy. I should try, please. It actually tastes like meat. It actually tastes like the bologna meats. So if you want now, family, you can go ahead and fry these up in a little coconut oil. You can re-season them. You can add some nutritional yeast to it. Whatever you need to add to it to change it up. You could also, if you're making spaghetti, you could go and slice it up like this and put it in your spaghetti. You can use this, family, however way that you would use chicken. Just it's very versatile, it's very tasty, it's very beautiful, and I hope you try it. So that's all for now. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you know when I come back with another video. Okay, bye for now.